Yeah, baby? What? Can I go where? You want to go to dinner, baby? Yeah, we can go to dinner. At the pancake store? Hi, guys. Oh my god, this is my first get ready with me at my house. Yes, I'm in the new house. Sorry, guys, it's because I have the music on. But I got tired of looking like literal booty hole like this whole entire time. We haven't gotten ready, like we haven't done anything. So I told Brandon, I'm like, you know what? I'm like, we're getting ready. We're gonna go out. We're gonna go do something. So I was just thinking about you. Yeah, I was like earlier with my sister and I was just like helping her pack and stuff. But literally the boys took care of everything, like everything. So yeah, how's the third person in here? Crazy how quick this went. Oh, I'm so happy for you, Cindy. Thank you, my love. Oh, this cafecito is fire. Babe, you have to get up and shower already, Bob, because we're literally gonna leave in a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready with you guys. I just took a shower and oh my god, you guys, I washed my hair with my Foxybae hair mask and it is so fire. I'm gonna curl my hair and then I'm gonna use the volumizing dry shampoo because it tends to like pick my hair up when I do my hair. So I'm gonna give you guys a whole hair tutorial and then I'm gonna go into getting my hair done or doing my hair. It froze because I was on the phone, mama. 5:30 my shut up, what time is it? Oh my god, I'll be ready in like 30 minutes. Erin, you don't even know, I'll be ready in 30 minutes. You want to get ready too, baby? Yeah. Okay, Ethan's gonna get ready too, you guys. Can you guys do me a favor on Facebook and give this pinned comment a thumbs up or a little like or a little heart, and I will love you guys forever. Yeah, it's 502, baby. So they do have a bunch of Memorial Day sales, you guys, just so you guys are aware. They have tools starting at like $39. They have their 5 for 55 hair care, which you guys know my favorites already. I don't have to repeat it to you guys. They have all kinds of deals going on for Memorial Day. I did go into my hair mask and I'm gonna go into the volumizing spray for you guys. Can we see your pantry once it's all stocked up? I love to see kitchen pantries. Okay, so I have, while I do my hair with you guys, I have things to catch you guys up on. So let me just get a hair clip real quick, guys. And let me turn on another song. So none of my freaking house is done. Like none of it. None of it, you guys. Literally none of it. My room is missing. Thank you guys for those of you guys who liked the link down below. Y'all's nalgas las van a crecer.
¿Dónde baño?
¿Dónde te bañas?
Sí.
Chingao. Pues aquí,
¿Dónde sea?
Pues sí, ve, bañate ya, pero es que no hay shower curtains en los otros baños, babe.
¿Pueden cerrar la puerta?
Nomás no hagas mojadero. Just take like a tub bath. What kind of coffee did you get? It's a caramel macchiato. Oh, so literally none of the freaking house is done yet, you guys. Like none of it. Oh my god, I freaking did not get a brush or what? Yes, I did. By the way, the Foxybae brushes come in clutch. Is the 5 for 55 still on or no? Yes, girls. Oh my god, the 5 for 55. I highly encourage you guys to try this right here. The volumizing dry shampoo. It's so freaking big. You guys can literally get like 3 of these and then 2 of the hair masks for 55 bucks free shipping. They do have free shipping on orders over $50. So literally you guys get 5 big old hair products for 55 bucks. Run and get it before they sell out, but this is super fire. Okay, enough of that. Let's go ahead and do my hair now. Are you gonna go to the Grupo Firme tomorrow? I am not going to Grupo Firme. Yes, my sister is coming with me. Can you ask them when they're gonna have Sezzle back? I know, that's what we were talking about earlier. But they do have, I believe, Klarna, mama. So yeah, so none of the house is ready yet. Like I had like the best luck in the world. It's like good things, I guess, good vibes, you know? You know what I feel like playing right now in the new house, you guys? Wait, let me put this up a little bit. Amor, levántate a la... Sí, estás viejita, amor. I feel like playing some MC Magic, girls. We gotta throw some MC Magic jams in this house. Like, we have to.
Babe, we don't even have clothes to get ready.
Yes, I have clothes to get ready. Why is this? Okay, now I'm turning it on. And now it's... Okay, 380. Hola, ¿puedo seguirte? Claro que sí. I'm like, claro que sí.
¿Me pasas la toalla?
Ay, todo quieres tú, amor.
Sí, me llamo Cindy.
Pinche grasoso. Quita la grasa. The OG vibes. I know you guys, the OG vibes AF. Okay, so yeah, so I've had like the best look. I don't want to call it bad luck because it's funny look, right? Like literally in my room, my whole bed is missing. So for example, I should wait for this to get a little hot, Queenie. Oh.
Huele a pedo aquí adentro.
No, no huele a pedo porque ya me bañé. Just trying to say that it smells like fart in here. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so my bed is not here yet. And then I'm like, that's good luck right there. And then Ethan's dresser isn't here yet, which I don't know why, guys. When I took him bed shopping, did I not think that my child needed a dresser? Like, he hasn't had a room in a whole year, and I literally just didn't think my kid needed a dresser. So we get here, and like, I see all his clothes and all his stuff, and I'm like, okay, like, why did I not think he needed a dresser? So I went back, ordered the dresser. It's not gonna get here for a week. My bed doesn't get here until I think Tuesday. And then my beauty room doesn't get built until Thursday. And then my flooring downstairs doesn't get done until Monday. So we literally have like a whole ass mess around the whole house. That's why I don't think I'm gonna give you guys a tour until we're like semi done with everything. My sister is coming with me. Yes, guys, she's gonna come with me. We were literally, dude, shout out to Brandon. He freaking went and like he moved us out, and then he went and like, you know, moved my sister out, like all the big furniture and everything. So super grateful for him. I'm gonna take him out tonight. What about the floor in this restroom? I don't think I'm gonna change it, to be honest. I mean, ¿qué opinan ustedes? But I really don't think that I want to change the flooring from upstairs. For what? I mean, I would want it to like match the rest of the house, but it's not like something that I want done like right now. I feel like it'll be good. Oh, also you guys, code Mustbecindy does work on the website site-wide for Foxybae. So if the 5 for 55 is $55, you guys can use my code, and then you guys get it for like 51 or 52 bucks. But you guys can use my code on like the whole entire site to additionally save on everything. And they have tools starting at 39 bucks, free shipping over 50 bucks. Just want to make sure that I inform you guys of like all the deals. And I would run and get your guys' 5 for 55 hair care, guys, especially because the hair mask is fire. So is the volumizing spray, their shampoos, conditioners. I mean, literally everything is so fire. And it's 5 whole items for 55 bucks. Kawani! Hi, my love. Are you saving this live? I am. I'm gonna save it for you guys. Y las botas de Brandon. Huh? Yeah, babe. What, baby? Yeah. The floor would be cute, but it's not something you would need urgently. That's what I was thinking. I'm like, you know what? Like, it would be cute and it would be like, you know, nice and everything to have it matching the downstairs, but do I really want to go through the troubles? No, I don't. You know? Sorry, what curling iron is that? This is a Foxybae jumbo one, guys. Oh my god. I know when you guys first see me. What, baby? Okay, sing it, baby. I know when I first started doing my hair, you're like, what is it doing? But then you guys see the rest of my hair and it's so fire. In this whole wide world. Okay, now we're gonna go into here. Thanks for putting me on Foxybae. I'm obsessed. Dude, who else is obsessed? What's your favorite Foxybae product? I want to know. You guys in the comments. I just placed my Foxybae order. Thank you, Rosie. Un ramo luchon for my favorite. What's your guys' favorite? Like, is it the hair mask? Is it the wand? Is it the straightener? Is it, like, what's your favorite, you know? The hair mask, hair mask, hair mask. Me. The 32 and the hair mask. Hair mask. The hair mask has the vitamins and it helps my hair grow. Dude, the hair mask is everything for me, to be honest with you guys. And you know what, guys? It literally freaking goes out of stock so fast all the time. It's insane because it's that fire, like fire. And then the deals that they have, like, you can't pass up on the deals they have, you know? I like the wands. I want the one you're using, but the mask so far. What do you mean, babe? The one that I'm using right now, it's the jumbo one. So you literally go onto the Foxybae website, you search spring, And I love the jumbo. I don't like the jumbo at all. I love it. Hi, Kim. Thank you so much for the stars, queen. I don't know about you guys, but I've been loving my hair so much ever since I started using the jumbo. Like, I just love the way it does my hair. It just gives you like that blowout effect. Like, it's so fire, you know? Your home is gorgeous. Gracias, mi amor. Hair mask, dry shampoo. Oh, the dry shampoo. The wand makes my hair smell like burnt. You're probably putting the heat setting up too high. You're probably like not washing your hair often. You gotta make sure you clean your tools, because if your tools have like that dirty hair smell, that'll happen. So just clean your tools. I clean my tools with a little wipey. Kari, for example, she's one of you guys that doesn't wash your hair for 4 days, which is fine. You just gotta make sure that you clean it, because your hair is greasy, and the grease along with the heat will make it smell funky. So just make sure you guys clean it. Hi, Queen, I love you so much. You're disappearing, girl. Wow. What type of disappearing? No, I'm just kidding. I ordered the 5 for 55 today using your code. Thank you, my love. I appreciate you guys. And Rains, my emails are not working. Oh, now one of them worked. Shout out to Sophie Tracy and Jessica Espinal. They just went and got their Foxybae. Manda, mi amor. Shout out to Gladys Gonzalez. She just went and got her Foxybae. And Jasmine Gonzalez just went and got her Foxybae. Manda, mi amor. And Lizette Calzada just went and got hers. What, babe? Go, babe. Shout out to Rosie Moreno. She just went and got her Foxybae. Oh, Rosie told me a while ago. Oh my God, he got ready. His shirt is backwards. His shirt is backwards. What? You're ready to go to dinner, my love? Oh my goodness. Wow. Back up so the girls can see you. Oh my goodness. I love it. Just change your shirt, puppy. Like, fix it because it's backwards. Come here. Let me help you. So look, this right here is your tag. And you gotta clean your little face too, okay, puppy?
Ow, it hurts.
Yep, that'll happen when you have big head like mommy.
What?
That'll happen when you have a big head like mama.
That doesn't even make sense.
I know it doesn't. I've been questioning it my whole life too, son. There we go.
No,
Wow. Go show Brandon. He said that doesn't even make sense. I know, son.
Oh, hell no.
Ethan, what did I tell you about the word hell? I'm gonna freaking get the belt. Shout out to Carrie Malvez. That is a bad word. You're not supposed to say hell. Shout out to Carrie Malvez. She just went and got her Foxybae. And Jacqueline Serbin just went and got her Foxybae. Yeah, that's his Tejana. Oh, hell no. Dude, he says that word and I'm like, says moms when we tell our kids not to, because my mom used to be like that. No digas malas palabras. But then she'd get mad and she'd be like, hija de repente. And I'm like,
Guess what?
so.
Betty told me if I want to keep this Lego backpack, and I'm going to show it to you.
Okay, you show it to us, puppy. I had to get the 5 for 55 care packages. Yes, queen. Does the hair mask reduce having oily hair?
I got this backpack.
No, mama, it does not reduce oily hair.
I'm showing them.
Oh, sorry, I'm in the way. He's showing you guys his Lego backpack.
That's what Benny got me.
Period. Code for Foxybae'S must be said yes, guys.
You know, I want to put this.
Yeah.
My microphone in here, so I can take it.
Period.
I'm gonna do that.
Period.
Can I do it?
Period.
Can I do it?
Period.
Okay then. I guess I can do it then.
How many rooms does your house have? 5. Does she own Foxybae? Just about, huh, queen? Because I'm always promoting it. What, babe?
You only have 2 kids. It's me and Gotti. And then when Gotti was little, I was bigger.
Oh, period. She only has 2 kids, though. He's giving you guys a tea. Any deals for the Foxybae blowout brush? The first link in the bio will show you all the deals. Shout out to Beatrice Hernandez. She just went and got her Foxybae. And I just got word in, you guys, that the hair mask is almost out of stock once again. And so is the volumizing spray. So if you guys struggle with volume, this is the dry shampoo. I have been spraying this a little bit on my, like, here. And then it picks up my hair a little bit. Watch. I just received my 5 cans of hairspray and I love them. Ooh, period, queen. Shout out to Veronica Villasenor. She just went and got hers. Guys, it literally picks up tu greñita. and it gives it like that volume. You see that? And it smells so good. Out of all Foxybae products, this is probably the one that smells the best.
I got a bag in this.
You got a bag in there, puppy?
Yeah.
Look at that. Like, it just picks up the hair, and it's so fire. This is dry shampoo, you guys. Shout out to Leslie Moya. She just went and got her Foxybae, and it smells so delicious. And Janice Roman, she just went and got her Foxybae. Thank you so much, my love. That I just like to spray my hair in it with it. If you guys have tried this, you know it smells delicious. Like, it smells so good. Did he cut his hair? No, my son just has a... he got a little... sus entraditas. Es que el guy que le corta el pelo normally, the guy that cuts his hair normally, he, dude, le dio el pinche, like, hairline hasta acá arriba, mi pobre hijo. So, his hairline normally starts right here. So, that's how you guys can see, like, his little hair growing out. I just ordered mine. Thank you, my love. I also love the shampoo and conditioner. And you guys, I'm not even kidding you guys. Like, the mask, oh my God. I know I never about the mask, but it's so fire. Like, I get so excited every time I shower. And that's like the most exciting part for me. Not even washing my ass. Like, literally the most exciting part for me when I get in the shower is washing my hair, because I know I'm gonna get out of the shower and my hair is gonna be this fire. Shout out to Dina Kozvik. She just went and got hers. Ethan, I'm working, babe. What, Papa? We gotta work on the mom. He's like, Stewie. Mom, 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 mom. Do you have dark underarm advice? I don't, and if y'all have some, let me know, because I have dark underarm. Queen, you got me hooked on the hair mask. I have everybody hooked on the hair mask. Like, at this point, if you're not using that on your hair, you are sleeping on good hair, girl. Shout out to Frances Velez. She just went and got her hair mask. And then, literally, había visto que en los chisme channels habían dicho something about, yeah, and she lied and said that she uses Foxybae products, and her sister caught her saying that she uses something else. You guys have to understand, we're all gonna use something else for our hair, right? Like, I always tell you guys, the one thing that I always promote from there is a hair mask. Why? Because I've used the dry shampoo numerous times, but is it my go-to? No. But do I love it? Yes. I use other different sprays, other different oils on my hair. I go and get my hair done and all of that. Like, you have to keep up with your hair in different ways. You're not just gonna realistically use one brand or one product on your hair. But the one product is gonna do so good for your hair. So again, you guys, just so you guys know and so you're aware, they're running low on stock with this. Shout out to Jocelyn Hernandez. She just went and got her hair mask. They're running low on stock on the hair mask. So you guys can get 2 of the volumizing dry shampoos and 3 hair masks for $55 free shipping. Freaking 55 bucks free shipping for all of that. Like, I'm sorry, I'm on my way. All right, now we're gonna do our makeup. Enough of the weedy. Can you make a video of cómo se usa el hair mask? I have posted videos for you guys. Shout out to Claudia Segura. She just went and got hers. But basically all you do is just grab a little bit, put it on the parts of your hair you want it on. So I heard the Colgate whitening toothpaste helps with dark armpits. Really? I'm gonna try it. Me with the toothpaste right there. I'm like, Ethan said he's going to school. Oh, we're falling. 1 second, guys. We are falling. Free falling. Their hairspray is also fire too.
I'm gonna take my hat and my backpack.
All right, Facebook. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna restart it in 2.5 seconds, okay?